This message is transported to the United States government. A user on YouTube has been sent out to devices and computers. The user's name is 666. Whatever you do, do not open search and type in 666. The YouTube channel contains a script that will make your device get a virus and explode to 20 to 40 feet. All phones will explode within an hour or 10 hours when sent by YouTube. Do not crush the device. It will explode and overheat. Police officers are going home to be worrying about their business. If you have YouTube on any device, never go on 666. This message is transported to the police department. 666 is coming in your house to eat you. If you don't want to die, then go to a shelter. Here's what you need to do to survive. Gather around family and friends. Bring in food, water, clothes, candy, ice cream, desserts and medical supplies. Bring in a radio with extra batteries for more information of this situation. If shelters are not in your area, then go to a basement or attic. And lastly, turn off all lights. Bring in a candle or a flashlight to see yourself. Be careful not to get hurt.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Warning, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 666 is everywhere on Earth. There is no way to stop this situation. This is the end of the world. Here's what you need to do to end yourself. Create along with family and friends and goodbye. WAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAA